Hello children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and everyone is doing well. So, in the before session, we have discussed a new topic. So, we have discussed a new topic. So, which lesson we are discussing? And before going to the lesson, we have to discuss so which subject we are discussing because in the fifth class, the science and social will be discussed by the same. Okay, so I'm only dealing with the science and social, so you may have a little bit confusion which subject I am discussing. So today we are going to discuss social. Okay, and also the explanation part is completed. So explanation, half of the part is completed. Okay, so what is that lesson? Ancient civilization. Ancient civilization. Yeah. So in this lesson, we have discussed what is a civilization. So civilization means what, and also whatever the civilization and from where are the rivers. So for example, I said you Yangtze River. So Yangtze means it will be in the Chinese. Okay, it is in a Chinese civilization. We are having the Yangtze River. And for example, if I am telling that Indus, it is a Indus Valley civilization. If it is a Nile, if it is an Egyptian civilization. Okay, and for example, if it is a Tigris and Europhites, so these are in the Mesopotamian civilization. So this all we discussed. And civilization means what? First of all, civilization means what? A group of, so a group of human beings, a group of human beings living together. So group of human beings living together, so with the common rules. So common rules, common languages, and same type of way of life. Same way of life, same rules, same type of language. Okay, for example, if I want to tell you a clear example, means for example, if you are taking as an example of Muslims, so they are having same type of rules and same type of um, language, same type of language will be there, and their way of life, so same will be there for them. So not only for Muslims, if well compared to the Hindus, why I didn't took as an example of Hindus means, so for example, if I am taking an example of Hindus, so for in Telangana also Hindus will be there, and in Andhra also Hindus will be there, and in Rayalaseema, so Rayalaseema also will come in Andhra. So Hindus, the language will be different. So the places, depending upon the places, the language will be different. Okay, the language will be different. For example, I have taken the example of Muslims. Why? Because the language, so whatever may be the reason, the language will be same. So Urdu, so Urdu is the common language for the Muslims. Okay, wherever may be the reason, so their way of life will be in the similar way. Okay, in the same way, so in that, so civilization means the way of life and their language, and also the language and also the rules, rules will be same. So that is called as a civilization. So here civilization means that, ancient civilization means old. Also old, ancient means old. The old civilization is called as a ancient civilization. So these type of civilizations we'll find in the this type of civilization we will found near the rivers. So I already said no. So for example, if it is a Mesopotamian civilization means we will find near the Tigris river. And for example, if it is a Indus Valley civilization, then we will find it in the Indus Valley civilization, we will find it in the Indus, near the Indus. For example, if it is a Egyptian civilization means it is in the Nile river. Okay, and for example, if it is a Chinese civilization means near the Yangtze river. And also we have discussed the lifestyles in the ancient civilizations. So how the life, how the people will be. Okay, so they used to use they used to use the same language, and so they are made up of different, so they're made different things. Okay, and some people will use for the farming so same as ours, but little differences will be there. Okay, now how the village people will be in the same way, we can see this also. Okay, and okay, they are having so now we are having panchayat persons will be there, no? So such type of persons, they used to call them as priests. Okay, they used to call them as priests. Okay, and they used to, the other people will mostly like soldiers. So soldiers, they will be like soldiers and builders. Okay, they own, okay, they have done their civilization by their own. So the growth of the civilization were done by these people. Okay, at that time only the soldiers and all that, and from the civilization time only we are having the soldiers and all. Till here we have discussed in the last session. So now I'm going to tell you how they used to grow the crops, and how they used to domesticate the animals, and how the trading process. So that all we are going to discuss in the today's session. So growing of growing of crops. So growing crops, trading, trading, domesticating of animals, domesticating of domesticating of animals, domesticating of animals. Yeah. So human beings to need to stay in a one place. They used to stay in the one place, and so if they want to do the farming means they used to stay in the same place. Okay, they has to take care of their farming. So they if they want to grow crops means what they have to do, they used to stay in the one place, and they used to do the farming, and they have to take care of the farming. Okay, they grow the crops. Okay, they will collect the, they will so if they want to grow the crops means they should collect the grains. Okay, they used to collect the grains. Okay, they used to collect the grains. um, this is called as a agriculture. Agriculture means what? They grew the they grew the crops by collecting the grains, stored grains. They used to store the grains. Okay, and this is called as a agriculture. So agriculture means what? So human beings will be needed to stay in a one place for the farming. Okay, they grew crops by they grew crops. How they used to grow crops? They used to collect the stored grains. They used to store some grains. That grains they used to grain, and they used to make a fields. Okay, this is called as a agriculture. Okay, they used to build their strong houses. So they used to build their strong houses. So strong houses in the sense, so nowadays all healthy, you will tell, no? So such type of things will not be there in the previous time. Okay, so they used to build their houses to be strong. So very strong houses they used to construct. They used to till long time, they want their houses to be in a long time. Okay, so they needed water to their farm. So if they want to do the farming means they need some water. So they build their houses near the rivers. So near big rivers will be there, no? So they used to build their houses near the rivers, because the for farming purpose they want some water, and for drinking purpose they want some water. So they used to build their houses near to the rivers. So this is the growing of crops. Growing of crops is nothing but they used to mm, so they used to grow the crops. They used to grow the crops by collecting some stored grains. So some stored grains they used to keep for the agriculture purpose, and they used to build their houses near to the rivers, so that they can pour the water for the farming field in an easy way. So this is the growing of crops. Trading. So trading means what? So families of early human beings. Also early human beings. So their families will be living together. Sometimes one family some family had a little meat. Okay, some family had a little meat but a lot of grains. So only they are having little meat but lot of grains. So another family, family had more meat. So in another family they are having more meat but little grains. So if they are exchanging, so for example, so if you are taking as an example of sharing, so for example, your friend has, so she's having more curry in her box and less rice. So in your box if it is more rice and less curry means So we used to share. In the same way, so who are having more grains, they used to give that grains to the person who is having less grains, and who are having more meat, so they will distribute to the person who are having less meat. Okay, in this way, so in this way they started there, so some exchanging of resources, they started some exchanging of resources. This is called as a trading. So this is called a, so exchanging of resources. So now I said an example of sharing. So if you are sharing, it's a, whatever we are doing with our friends, that is a sharing, that is not a trading. Okay, so for example, trading I want to tell as an example in your friends means, for example, you are having 2 or 3 pencils with you, and she is having so more erasers, so she is having more erasers and you are having less erasers. So you are giving so pencils to her and you are exchanging the erasers. Okay, so this is a trading. Okay, in this way they used to started their trade. As people, they used to grow crops and they used to domesticate their animals and they used to build their houses, and they used to settle in one place. They started settling in the one place, and also they started trading each other. Okay, they started trading each other. So this is a trading, domesticating of animals. So how they started the domesticating? So people found that few animals, so few animals can carry heavy loads. So the few animals only carry heavy loads, and so few animals only can do some tasks. That's the task in a sense. So they can carry the loads and they can do some work for the farming field. Okay, so in this way they gave these animals. So they used to give these animals for food, and also they used to give feed with the water, and they used to domesticate them. So if they want these animals means, they used to feed them. They used to feed them and they used to give water and they used to give the food. So in this way they started their domesticating. So for example, uh, if you want a dog in your house, then you will domesticate that dog. Okay, so you will feed the dog and all that, all process we will do. So in this way they started domesticating. So they started domesticating, so some animals. So what are those? Cows, sheep, buffaloes, dogs, okay, donkeys, cats, ox, and bull. So these are all they started domesticating. Okay, humans also allowed these animals to live close to them. So some animals will be there. So they used to be very close. So for example, dog is there. It will not harm to us. So those are not called as a say wild animals. So wild animals is different and domesticated animals is different. They have started domesticating, and they soon became, so they observed the young ones of these animals. So they'll get young ones, so young babies will come from them, no. So soon they begin, so this, they have seen that they are giving milk to the young ones. So they also got wool and meat from animals such as sheep. Okay, they have seen, so some young ones will be there, no. So they have seen that the young ones are drinking milk from the elder ones. So from that they have seen that we'll get the milk too. So in that way they have seen the milk, and also in the same way they used to get meat from the other animals, and also they used to see that they used to get wool also from the animal, that is nothing but sheep. So in this way they started domesticating the animals, and they started growing the crops, and they started they got a trade. Okay, so when people settle down in the places, okay, so they have started to construct more houses, they have started to build more houses. So this leads to the, so if there are more houses means, it became like a city. Okay, it became like a city. Some cities are very close to each other, some cities will be very close to each other. So the people used to speak same language, and they used to follow the same rules. A number of cities where a number of cities where people shared a common way of life. So the number of cities which are there, they are having common way of life, and they are having same type of language and same type of life. So this is called as a way of, so this is called as a civilization. So I already said, no, civilization means same type of life and same language will be there. So in this, how the climate and the civilization. So how the climate will be, crops grow easily in the places where there is warm sunlight. So if the sunlight is a little bit, so then the crops will be growing more. And rivers are used to get water. Okay, rivers, they are using the rivers for the purpose of growing the crops. Okay, warm climate is also easy for humans to live in. So if it is warm, warm means not so much hot, not so much cold. So if it is warm place means the human beings also can live in that place. All ancient civilizations, so they used to stay in the warm regions. So warm regions. Okay, so if you are living in these regions, then it will be easy for them. So it will be easy for them to stay, and also the crops also will be growing more. Okay, where there any civilizations in the very cold areas, why do you think this happens? So you have seen any civilization in the cold areas. So what, why do you think, how do you think it was happened? Okay, this is our question. So it is question for you people. Okay, and higher order says, so find out some find out which ancient city had a place called Great Bath. Okay, so what they are telling, Great Bath. So where it is, in which place it is there. Okay, for which civilization this belongs to, and you have to write some futures about that. Okay, and amazing fact, cities in the Indus Valley civilization, cities in the, they used to trade, so you do trade with the Indus Valley civilization. Cities used to trade with the Mesopotamian civilization. So distance between them is 4,000 kilometers. The trading process at that time only they have started, 4,000 kilometers. Okay, the difference between these civilizations is 4,000 kilometers. They started trading from Indus Valley to the Mesopotamian civilization. This is the amazing fact, and this is the end of your lesson. In tomorrow session we are going to discuss the notes and the CW. Okay children, I hope everyone understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.